The career you start is unlikely to be the career you finish, and the skills you arrive with will not be the skills you leave with. Continuous learning is the single most reliable career insurance you can buy. Lifelong learning isn't a phrase from a brochure. It's a survival skill in a labor market where roles, tools, and even industries change within a working lifetime. The mindset. Default to curiosity. Assume there's always something to learn from the next problem or person. Treat ignorance as a starting point, not a verdict. I don't know yet is the right answer, often. Schedule learning. If it's not in the calendar, it's not real. Apply what you learn. Knowledge without practice fades fast. Teach what you've learned. The fastest test of understanding is whether you can explain it. Aim for 2 to 4 hours of intentional learning per week alongside your day job. Over a decade, this becomes a different career. Certifications signal verified capability quickly to recruiters and managers. Used well, they're a career multiplier. Used badly, they're a CV padding distraction. Choose certifications that meet 3 tests. Recognized in your target sector, look at job adverts. Practical. Assesses ability, not just memorization. Current. The issuer updates it regularly. Examples that move careers in the UK. Tech, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud certifications, CompTIA, Cisco, Microsoft Power Platform, Project, Change, Prince2, Agile, Scrum, APM, ITIL, Data, Microsoft Data Analyst, Google Data Analytics, DBT certification, Finance, C, MA, CFA, HR, CIPD, Healthcare and Care Certificate, NMC Revalidation, NVQs, CPD Records, Construction, CS, NEBOSH, IOSH, CIOB, RICS Pathways. Pair every certification with a visible piece of work that uses what you learned, a project, a write-up, a presentation. The certificate gets you noticed, the work earns you the job. Professional development is broader than certifications. The toolkit, courses, structured, often time-boxed, useful for closing specific skill gaps. Books and audiobooks, depth and perspective, hard to get elsewhere. Conferences and webinars, exposure to the leading edge. Networking, mentoring and coaching, accelerates judgment faster than any course. Sponsorship, a senior advocate who opens doors. Module 6, Lesson 4. Stretch projects, the highest leverage learning you'll do. Sabbatical, secondment, exchange, used well, these reset and renew careers. Plan one major learning bet per year, a course, a qualification, a stretch role, and review it at year-end. Did it shift your capability or your trajectory? Staying current is its own discipline, a sustainable rhythm. Daily, 5 min. Scan a curated newsletter or 2 in your specialism. Weekly 30 min. Read 1 longer piece sector report. Deep article, podcast episode. Monthly, 90 min. Write a short reflection. Here's what's changing in my field and what it means for me. Quarterly, half day. Read the latest sector strategy or skills outlook. ONS, government strategy. Large consultancy reports. Pair this with a small number of people you trust in your field. Colleagues, mentors, online voices, whose perspective you'll seek when something big shifts. Trends without trusted interpreters are noise. Choose one certification to commit to in the next 12 months that supports your career vision. Choose one skill to grow this quarter through practice and visible output. Diarize weekly study time and pin a finish date for the certification in your calendar.